Come on, let's go. Come on, we got things to do. We can't be hanging around here. That cabin's not going to fix itself, you know? And so you might as well come along. Yeah. Come on. You come along and you can watch me put together some storm windows for my crazy old cabin. Okay, so there's the window, single pane. Needs to be all scraped and fixed before it rots up completely. But this frame is supposed to fit right in here, right in there, and there. It's simple, just butt joints. 2 long 3-inch screws. Got out of a duck board, 1 3/4 wide, and 2 inches on the ends. That gives me just enough to make 1 window out of a an 8-foot deck board. Yeah. These are the, I think it's 1 1/8 thick. Actually, it's exactly 1 inch. A real 1 inch. Well, I'm gonna move this table out a little bit so I can get around it. There's my little braces here. Okay, so I know that this is facing the lake. Left bath. Okay? I'm going to flip it over. I'm just supporting it. That's all I'm doing. All this does. Just like I want to chip. I'm not using it for a guide. Keep it from wiggling. Okay, so I've cut it now, and I've got to lay it on here. You can see there's lax touching the sides. Right now I'm just trying to get it the best fit there is. It's pretty uniform. So now what I got to do is get holes. I'm going to put screws in this thing. And to put those screws in, I would need holes, but I'm not going to drill holes because every time I ever tried to drill through this stuff, inevitably one of them would crack the damn stuff. So so I'm marking along these so I know where it's supposed to be in case I bump it. I don't don't have to keep redesigning them. Alright. Now, notice how this is made. I have screws and they go way up in here. I want to make a mark between those screws. Alright, that's where I'm going to put my... I'm not going to try to put those screws right up on the edge. A little longer to heat up, but it'll stay hot longer. No, very good. These screws are very sharp. These are the screws I'm using. Yes, I got them at Lowe's. Yes, they're expensive, about $6 for this box. But how many will I use, you know? This is what they look like. Very, very sharp edges. This cheapo ratchet screwdriver. I'm not putting these in with the power tool for a reason. I don't want to crack the plastic. It looks pretty good that way, I guess. Scraped it. So this is what we'll be looking through. I'll wipe it off when I get out there. This will be the inside. And yeah, we'll have to see a few screws, but hey, it's better than cold. Let's see if it does anything. Well, that's the final product. Hopefully it'll hold for a while. Chilly out here. Okay, I got one light bulb on all the time. And it's 40 degrees. Called an easy heat. That. So that one is there. This one I brought and put it on for full time.